Hey everyone, so today we're going to be going over what I think is probably maybe the new mop top haircut, and I've been getting some requests for this. So this is Gavin, and he plays the character Jeremiah in The Summer I Turned Pretty. I know there's 2 seasons of it, but I'm going to break down his haircut because it seems to be that I'm getting a lot of requests and people asking about his hair. So the first thing is, yes, you need to have wavy hair for this, and if you have perfectly straight hair, then you could end up getting a perm or a body wave if you want. You can also get this if you have straight hair. You just have to make sure your hair is long enough and that you have layers and you're using my Tidal Wave sea salt spray, okay? So the thing about this is that the layers on hair types like this actually enhance the waves, right? It enhances the waves, and that's what gives it that freedom to just, show off its curl pattern or wave pattern on the hair. If you cut the front too short, it's going to spring up. So you can even almost see here that he doesn't have like the hair in the front that's really long. I'm talking like down to the bridge of his nose or to like his lip. It's not in his eyes. And that's why I think this may be a new trend as far as like the mop top TikToker hairstyle, that it's a little longer in a sense in some areas, but it's not like it's covering his eye. This is probably the most extreme or longest it's been, or I've seen it. And these are just images off Google, so there may be some variety. Not necessarily everything is from the show, but again, this is kind of the traditional mop top haircut, to where a lot of it is based off of having the natural curl pattern mixed with the haircut. Now, I mentioned my product Tidal Wave and why it's important, because you need some sort of product that's going to give the hair the texture and give it that, light hold, so it's going to stay a little more in place. All right. Here's another example. Now, if you were to take those hairs in the very front and pull them down, yes, it may go to the bridge of the nose. However, because it's, wavy and a little more curly at some areas, it's going to spring back up. But if you notice, it's like a little disheveled and almost somewhat messy looking. And even the back is fairly long as well. So this goes to show that, you don't necessarily have to have like a number 1 fade or a 2 fade. I mean, the hair on top, as far as how long it is, I mean, I really don't even know. It's more about if your hair looks like that, then it's long enough. But I would say it's probably 7 inches maybe or something like that. And here's another example. Because of, I need to have a little length, obviously, in the front. Because if you don't, it's just going to look ridiculous. But notice the sides of his hair. So it's to the middle of his ear. The back kind of angles down a bit too. So it's a fuller, more rounded shape. If you want to get this particular hairstyle, this haircut, you need to show these pictures. Just go on Google, type them in, and save some photos to your phone. And don't worry about, because sometimes the professional cutting your hair, they have no idea about a name. You go, oh, I want the modern mop top. They're going to be like, what the heck is that? This is a really great photo as well. You can clearly see that rounded type of shape. And there's the length on the sides around the ear area. Then you can see how it kind of works its way down into the back. Now, styling it, I do have a blow dryer. The best way for styling this is when your hair is damp, spray on my Tidal Wave spray, 5-6 spritzes maybe, then use my blow dryer, my ionic blow dryer, which comes with a diffuser. And then you can, watch my videos on how to style curly hair, wavy hair, or how to make straight hair wavy, and you'll see the styling technique of what I did. If you are interested in purchasing any of my products, you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.